And if you thought 2013 was hot in Australia, well, it certainly was. It was the country's hottest year on record. Official figures show every state recorded above average temperatures. Our winter more like spring, and spring more like summer.
2013, and in a country of so many contrasts, a year of weather extremes. Cyclones, floods, bushfires and record-breaking temperatures, the hottest year ever. With a mercury 1.2 degrees above the long-term average, beating the mark set in 2005 by 0.17.
A jump of nearly 0.2 degrees over a full year, over an area the size of Australia, is really quite significant.
January 7 was the hottest day ever recorded, a national average maximum of 40.3. And the January heatwave set new highs, with a national average over 39 for 7 straight days.
Large parts of Australia, spring temperatures look more like November temperatures.
Rainfall was down and sea temps were up, the Weather Bureau underlining the impact of carbon emissions and a trend of warming over the decades.
And that's consistent, that warming trend, with increasing greenhouse gases.
All this, of course, gives the Greens and Labor more ammunition to attack the government's climate change policy.
We know what the Prime Minister thinks of climate change. We know because he's told us. He thinks it's absolute crap. And the policy he has is a con job.
What more evidence does Tony Abbott need before he abandons his reckless plans to unwind our clean energy laws?
The government argues the public voted against the carbon tax and for its direct action plan.
That will reduce emissions and will meet our 5% reduction target.
Lane Kelcott, 9 News.